Boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So we are going to introduce a couple new sight words. Today we're going to do 3 and then I'm going to do a couple more later on this week. So we'll have 5 new sight words all this week. Our first word is say. So you can see the word say is spelled S-A-Y. Say. Okay, spell it with me. S-A-Y. Say. So with the word say, our S is making the sound and our AY is making the long A sound. So we have A, say. All right, say it with me. A, say. So when you hear the word say, that is something that you're talking and words are coming out of your mouth, right? So when I am thinking about my sentence for the word say, I'm going to do a question and I'm going to say, do you know what you are going to say? So I use my sight word say. So I want you guys to think of words for the word say, or think of sentences using the word say. I liked how a couple of my friends, I gave you guys some handwriting paper, and at the end of the week, I'm going to have you practice writing all your sight words. A couple of my friends even wrote their sentences for me, which I kind of like that you guys did that so I can see what you guys are thinking because it's hard because normally in class we like talk about this and Mrs. Hanson normally lets all of you guys share your sentences and we talk about it. But without me being able to talk to you, I don't know what your sentences are. So if you want to write them down and send them to me at the end of the week using each one of your sight words, that would be awesome. You don't have to do that, but I really like it because I like to see that I know that you guys know how to use the words and you're not just telling your moms and dads. You get to tell Mrs. Hanson too, so I don't feel totally left out. So if you guys want to do that, you can. If you don't, that's okay. So our first word is say. So the next word we're going to talk about is the word new. So you could see for our new word new, you like that new word new? We have, it's spelled N-E-W, new. Okay, spell it with me. N-E-W, new. So with the word new, we have our n and then we have the oo sound. So we have n, oo, new. So when you hear the word new, you're not saying the eh or the wa. We have to remember that this word is new and it's sounded out like n, oo, new. So try it with me. N, oo, new. Kind of feels like ooh, like ew, but you're not saying ew, you're saying ooh. And let me think of a sentence I can use with my word new. I got a new pair of socks for my birthday. So I got something new. New meaning that it's not something that I've already had. It's something that I got that I didn't have before. So the word new. And our next word we have is said. So we have the word said. Let's look at the letters. We have S-A-I-D, said. So spell it with me. S-A-I-D, said. So this is a little different too. Our word said has the s, but then our AI makes the short E sound. So when you hear the word eh, isn't that weird? Our A and our I make the eh sound. So our A and our I together in the word said make the short E sound. So we have ed. So when we blend it all together, we have the word said. So say it with me. Said. Good. Now I'm going to think about my sentence for said. Remember, our first one was say, which is that is something that hasn't happened yet. When we're using the word said, that means it happened in the past and it's past tense. And I already said the word or the sentence for the word said. So that means it already happened. Because remember, we have been learning about past tense, future tense, and present tense. So the word said for my sentence. Did you hear what Mrs. Hanson said? So I'm asking you a question if you heard what I said before. So what happened in the past. So I want you guys to think about a sentence for the word said. So today, your little mini assignment is you're going to use the word say, you're going to use the word said, and you're going to use the word new, and you're going to tell everybody you can your words, your sentences with those new sight words. Remember, we have say, new, and said. So I hope you guys get to have fun with those. And then at the end of the week, we're going to practice writing them. If you want to start practicing them now, maybe that might be helpful too. You guys can write them a couple times down on your paper. I want it though, by the end of the week, we have all of our 5 words written down at least 5 times. So we're practicing writing our words, we're practicing using our words and knowing what they mean and how to use them. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And don't forget to say your 3 words: say, new, and said. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.